To manage your settings, click on the circle to the left of the Minimize button. This will contain either your profile picture or initials. A menu will appear. To access your settings, click on the Settings option. Here you have 6 options on the left to look through. The top one, General, is already open. Here you can set how you want your teams to look by setting the theme. For instance, you might prefer a dark or high contrast theme when using teams. You can set the layout of your teams. This is how you can choose to navigate between teams you're a member of. The grid layout shows your teams as tiles that you have to click on to access. The list layout shows you all your teams and channels in the left rail, and you have to scroll through them to find the one you want to engage with. In the general settings, you also have application settings for how you want teams to run on your device, and language settings. In privacy, you can manage your priority contacts. You can also manage your blocked contacts and choose whether you want to participate in Teams surveys. In notifications, you can manage the types of notifications that you want to receive in Teams and by email. You can also manage your notification sounds. In devices, you can set the audio and video devices that you want Teams to use. This is also a good place to test that your devices are working. In permissions, you can set up how Teams and the apps that are connected to Teams access content on your devices, such as media on your device, your location, and external links. In calls, you can set call forwarding, voicemail settings, and your ringtone. Any changes you make in your settings are automatically saved and applied.